Hello good people of the internet, my name is Hexa and welcome back to my channel for this month's Halloween themed Lush Kitchen unboxing. I got this box like a really long time ago and it's just been sitting in my room because I haven't gotten around to filming this unboxing, and now it is literally the day before Halloween. I don't even know if I'm gonna have this video edited in time, but I'm really gonna try very hard to have it up in time for Halloween. So if I succeeded, happy Halloween. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of feel like I failed at Halloween this year. I don't have a costume ready. I didn't like go to the pumpkin patch and do a cute photo shoot. There have been no plans made for Halloween except my mom got some pumpkins and there's some candles and stuff, but you know, I don't know. I feel like I kind of wish I had a Halloween do-over this year, but at least we have a box of Halloween goodies to get us through this Halloween season. As always, I'm first gonna go through what was on the vote, what I voted for, and why, so if you want to skip that part, the timestamps are in the description box down below. First on the vote, we had the Lord of Misrule body lotion, which I absolutely voted for because I love the Lord of Misrule scent. Make mischief with this classic blend of patchouli, black pepper, and vanilla. Distinctively spicy and devilishly sweet to give your skin a hydrating treat. Lord of Misrule is a really beautiful, really complex kind of scent, and so I really like that about it. I feel like it's not too floral, it's not too sweet, it's not too bitter, it's just like kind of a perfect combination of perfect mix of scents, and it just smells really sophisticated and balanced. Next was the Lady Katrina soap, which is very beautiful. Sweet citrus scents of lime and neroli will tingle your senses as this soap soothes and cleanses your skin, leaving you feeling refreshed and radiant. I did vote for this soap. I think citrus scents are quite nice, especially lime. I really like that, and this soap was so beautiful, so I did go ahead and vote for it. Next was the Something Wicked Bath Melt. Spicy ginger and sensual jasmine seduce you into a purple tinted bath. Softening cocoa butter and almond oil ensure you emerge renewed. I did not vote for Something Wicked. I liked the kind of premise of this, but I don't like bath melts because I do find them a little bit finicky and inconvenient. Sometimes they melt in transit, and I also am not a huge fan of the smell of ginger, and sometimes I find jasmine to be a little bit overwhelming, so I did not vote for this. Next we had Ectoplasm Shower Gel. When your spirits need lifting, lather these luminous grapefruit and tangerine suds all over. Step out of the shower refreshed, cleansed, and smelling divine. Grapefruit and tangerine smells very wonderful. I also really love the neon yellow shade of this shower gel, and I've heard a lot of good things about Ectoplasm. I haven't ever tried it yet personally, but I know a lot of people like it, so I did vote for it. This year they do also have the Ectoplasm Shower Jelly or Shower Slime or something, I'm not sure, on the Lush website as part of the Halloween collection, aside from just in, you know, Lush Kitchen. And so I'm kind of hoping that the shower gel is in this box because I would rather have an Ectoplasm shower gel than a shower slime or something else with like a stranger texture. So I actually haven't yet ordered the Halloween collection from the store. I probably will. Obviously it will come after Halloween is already over, but I did still want to get some of the things that were part of this year's collection. Ghost Shower Jelly. Hauntingly sensual floral scents of jasmine and ylang-ylang drift around your shower as you lather up this softening cleanser. With a hint of neroli to lift you, the delicate scent lingers in the air. I didn't vote for Ghost. I do think that the scents in this sound okay. I do think that jasmine and ylang-ylang together might be a little bit overpowering though, and also, as I said, I'm not the biggest fan of the texture of kind of shower jellies, so yeah, I decided that white florals and shower jellies just were not my vibe right now. And lastly, the Enchanter Bath Bomb. Unleash a feast for the senses with scents of zesty lime and neroli. Rich-hued bath art expands across the water, reviving even the weariest of souls. We had a lot of citrus stuff in this vote, didn't we? I did vote for this. I thought this sounded nice, refreshing, and zingy. I'm not sure what the bath art is going to look like. It is like a yellow and orangey looking kind of bomb, but maybe it has some other colors hiding in there that will look really nice when it's dissolved in the water. So anyways, I did vote for this. Now let's open up the box and find out what we actually got. This month's box had a little bit of change of design to fit the Halloween theme. We've got these gooey, slimy drips all over the sides, and it is like a lighter, more pastel-y shade of green. So I do like that. I hope that they give us more kind of customized boxes in the future, although that might tempt me to keep the boxes, which I really do not need to collect more of these. To be fair, I do keep them to like ship stuff on Depop in, so it's not like I'm just keeping them in my attic forever. They have a kind of sort of maybe eventual plan of a purpose in mind. All right, let's see. It smells citrusy already. Ooh. Ooh, and the inside is black. Very nice. Of course, fitting with the theme. I really like this. I really love the design of this box. All right, let's get these papers out. Ooh, we've got a little box or something in here that looks like a little bonus item. That's pretty. I wonder what this is. Ooh, wow, it smells so citrusy in here. This is like a little flat box with kind of like a almost kind of silky texture on top, and the bottom is made of paper. It looks like a jewelry box. I don't think it's gonna be jewelry, but that's what it looks like. Okay, let's see what's in here. This is, oh my god. Oh, it's a perfume. This is packaged so beautifully. Okay, so in this perfect, gorgeous little box, we have a teeny little 10 milliliter tube of the Tramp perfume. I'm not gonna spray this on myself because then I'm just gonna be smelling Tramp for the rest of this unboxing. But I will say that Tramp is not necessarily one of my favorites. I do find it a little bit too bitter for my taste, but that being said, so actually, technically, Super Tramp is the one I've smelled before and wasn't a big fan of. So maybe Tramp is different. I don't know, just smelling it like this, it actually smells really good. I'm not sure, I'll have to see, I'll have to actually spray it to decide, but it's not as bitter as Tramp. It has that like bitter patchouli kind of note to it, but it also has some very nice florals, probably white florals, I think. This actually smells really good. On first impression, before actually spraying it and just like smelling what comes out of the little nozzle, I'm gonna give this actually a 7 out of 10. I'm afraid it might be too strong for me to be able to bear having it on my body. I do feel like a lot of Lush perfumes are just really overpowering for me and a little too overwhelming, but as far as the actual notes and the smell of it, it's really, really nice, I think. Okay, that was a really good one to start with. I love how they packaged this. I think it's so cute and beautiful. Looks very luxurious and fancy. So that's really cute. All right, next up we have something orange, and I'm pretty sure it's the, what was it, the Enchanter Bath Bomb, I think this is. Ooh, yes. Oh my god, they made a custom label for it. So before they were stamped with just Lush, now it says Lush Kitchen. Very nice, we're upgrading. And yeah, as expected, it has just like a very simple, very classic, citrusy, sweet kind of smell. Just smells like oranges, really. It's neither here nor there. It's not something super special and amazing smelling, but it's just like, it's okay. It's nice, you know? I would give this a 6 out of 10. I can't wait to see what the bath art looks like with this. I'm not sure what to expect, if it's gonna be orange and yellow or if there's something else inside there. Okay, put that back here. Ooh. Oh my god, yay! Okay, next item is a Lord of Misrule body lotion, another one that I did vote for. I'm so glad that we got this. I hope it smells as amazing as I'm expecting it to. Oh, I didn't think it was gonna be green. I don't think it was green in the pictures. It was white in the pictures, wasn't it? Whoa, this is such a beautiful shade of green. I actually love this color. It's like a dark mint kind of shade. And it does smell like the shower gel, but a little more toned down, which I think is a good thing because body lotion, it tends to linger on your skin a little bit more, so you don't want it to be quite so like in your face and overwhelming. Yeah, it just smells like a subtler, gentler version of the original Lord of Misrule shower gel scent. So it's got that like bitter patchouli undernote, and then it's got some kind of sweeter notes on top that all just really, really work very well together and give this a really, really nice balanced scent. So I'm gonna give Lord of Misrule an 8 or 9 out of 10. Yeah, let's go 9 out of 10. I really, really love the smell of this, and the color, the green that they put in this was so gorgeous. Next in here we have something, ooh, oh my God, something has an eyeball. Oh, and it's also missing an eyeball. I'm not sure if it's supposed to have 2 eyeballs or if it's only supposed to have 1 because it's for Halloween. I think it's supposed to have 2, so maybe I'll find an eyeball in here. Hold on. Okay. Ooh, a little creepy. This is like a, it looks like a bird, like a green zombie bird, like a Frankenstein bird. I'm not sure what this is actually supposed to be. It wasn't on the vote, so we'll see once we look at the info card. Like I said, not sure if it's supposed to only have 1 eye or if there's like another eye hiding in here, but it smells also very orangey, very citrusy, a little bit zestier than the Enchanter, I think is what it was called. Oh my God, I just realized I think I forgot to start my timer. I have like a timer on my phone where I time like all of my activities to see, you know, how I spend my time on different things, and I forgot to press it when I started filming. What was I saying? I can't remember what I was saying before the timer thing. Yeah, we'll have to see if there's another eye in this box. I don't know. But yeah, it smells a little bit more zesty than this bath bomb, so I think it does have probably some lime in there as well. It's a little bit more sour smelling, but that's pretty much all I get. It's just like citrus. I can't tell if there's anything else in here, so we'll have to see when we look at the ingredients. Put that on top of the Lord of Misrule, probably right behind my head, so I don't think you can see it anyway. And I did see that we did get a small bottle of the ectoplasm, shower cream, not shower gel, apparently. Wow. This color is just stunning. It literally looks like a highlighter. I do wish we had gotten a bigger one of this. Having said that, I haven't actually smelled it yet, so who knows, maybe I won't like it. Did I give this? I didn't give this a rating. I'm gonna give that a 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10, maybe. This little zombie Frankenstein bird with 1 eye. All right, let's check out ectoplasm. Ooh, that looks thick. This looks like one of those that I'm gonna, oh, whoa. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's insane. This is gonna be one of those that I'm gonna probably have trouble squeezing out of the bottle. Ooh, why does that smell a little like lemongrass? I don't like lemongrass, but I don't think this actually has lemongrass. I think I'm imagining it. Yeah, there's no lemongrass in here. It's just a mix of lots of different citrus scents. It's okay. It's nice. It's not like amazing and stunning, but the color is gorgeous. Very, very fun. I think overall, like as for the scent, I would give it like a 6 out of 10, but because of the color, it lifts it up to a 7 out of 10. It does smell nice, but it's just like, it's a little simple, you know? It's not anything very, very special or very unique. But it is nice, and the color is awesome. I think that's everything, but we might have more in here. I'll just check. Oh, we do have more. Okay. What? This is tiny. I can't pick it up. It's the Wicked Bath Melt. It's very small. I was expecting this to be bigger. Hold on. I'm gonna put like a packing peanut on either side of it so I don't have to touch it with my hand. This is really small. I thought it was gonna be like the one that we got a few months ago, like the sleepy scented one. I can't remember. I guess it was just like a sleepy bath melt or bath oil. Yeah, as predicted, I'm not a big fan of the ginger tone in this, or scent in this. Note, I think is what I meant. Note, not tone. That's what I meant. I feel like the florals in here mask the ginger a little bit and make it okay-er, but it's still not really my cup of tea. It's just smelling it gives me that kind of uncomfortable burning in the back of my throat. So I'm gonna give Wicked a 5 out of 10. I just don't particularly like the kinds of scents that are in here. I also think it's a little smaller than expected, and bath melts in general are a little bit inconvenient. And it's not really like visually, it's just really simple, so it doesn't have a lot of selling points for me personally, but if you like the scents that are in here, I'm sure you would appreciate it. Okay, so let's Let's put that up in here in my pumpkin basket. No, I'm gonna put it back in the box because these things are dangerous. If you leave them anywhere, they'll just melt all over everything. Trying to see if I can find that eye. Oh, I found the eye. Okay. So our zombie bird was supposed to have 2 eyes. I found the other eye in the box. We'll just go give that back to its rightful owner. Cute. Okay, so that was it for our Halloween themed Lush Kitchen unboxing this year. I had a look at the info card and our little green bird friend is Tweet, which I think was one of the options in the Easter box this year, but in the end we got the bunny, or at least I got the bunny. I don't know if like some people got bunny and other people got Tweet, I'm not sure. It looks like there were 2 options of Tweet, so some people got the green one, some got the black one. I got green, obviously. Overall, I really liked this Halloween box. The scents were a little bit similar to each other. Like we had at least 3 products in this box out of 5 that were, or actually no, out of 6, wasn't it? 4, 5, 6. So we had 3 products out of 6 that were kind of citrusy scented. But that being said, there was still a really good variety, still a few products in here that I'm so glad we got. The Tramp perfume, as I said, was so beautifully packaged, and I know that I think these are quite expensive actually if you purchase them individually, so I think it was really good bang for your buck, considering we got a perfume in here. And yeah, I'm really happy with this box overall. I hope anyone out there who also got this box was happy with it and enjoyed the products in here. I'm very excited to try out Tramp on myself, wear it for a while and see how I feel about it, see if it suits me, if it's not like too overwhelming or anything like that. So that was pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, you can subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and follow me on social media. All of my links are down below. Have a very happy and spooky Halloween, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!